We have all been there. You type git commit, hit enter, and immediately realize you made a typo, such as in this example. Or worse, you forgot to add a file to the staging area. In this video, we will see how we can easily fix this issue. Let's dive in. Let's assume the following git commit history. We have 3 commits. We are on branch main, and this is the path of branch main, which at the moment points at our last commit, commit 3. But we realize that we have made the typo in the commit message, or we forgot to add a file to the staging area. So how do we solve this issue in Git? In Git, we can easily fix this by typing git commit -- amend, which enables us to amend our changes to the last commit. So the important thing to note is that using git commit amend, we are actually creating a new commit, and basically what happens is that this new commit is created and the main branch now points to this new commit. The old commit still exists in the Git database, but it will be removed by the Git garbage collector after a while. Even though you might think that we just changed the existing commit, but we actually create a new commit. So let's see this with an example. All right, I've got this simple project open in my VS Code. I'm just gonna edit 2 files. So I'm just gonna edit the to-dos in our chapter 1 and chapter 2. So let's say I'm gonna add and a bit longer, and here I will also create a new to-do list. So to do, write the second paragraph. All right, let's check our Git status. I'm on branch main and I have modified these 2 files. Let's say I add the first chapter and I forgot to add the second chapter, and I make my commit and I have update to-dos in chapter 1. All right, so let's do git log, and here we have our new commit, and then I immediately realize, oh no, I have a typo mistake in the update. It's missing the E. And also I see still, if I do git status, I see that I forgot to stage this to be included in our commit. So how do we fix this situation? So it's very simple. We will use git commit -- amend. So first we need to add this file. So I will do git add book. Now we have it. Can see it. Now we have this file, and now we will use the command. Before doing it, I just want to show you that this commit, the last commit that we have, remember that this commit hash starts with E86 to 24. Now let's do git commit -- amend and hit enter, and it opens the editor, and here we can edit the message if we want. So if I had no mistakes in the commit message, I wouldn't edit it. But since I have a typo in my commit message, I want to also edit my message. So in order to edit this text, you need to first press the I key to go into insert mode, and then you can type. And so here I fixed it, and I will push escape key, and then I will do shift : and then write and quit, and here we are. So I'm just gonna do git log. So here we have our basically fixed commit. It looks exactly the same, except that now we have fixed the commit message, and it also has both of the changes that we made to both of these files. But remember, the most important point here is that this commit is a new commit. It's not that we just change the same commit. So we have a completely new commit here with a new commit message and with a new tree basically. And remember that this commit message starts here with 86, while the previous one, if I can find it here, it is started with a different, so it was this one with E86. So you can see that these are different commits. This commit still exists in the Git database. We can actually verify it, but we're not gonna use it, and we will never see it again when we do git log. We will always see the new one, and we will never see the old one. We can verify this by using git ref log, and here you can see that this is the older commit with the typo in the update. It still exists in the database, but we will not use it, and at some point in time, Git's garbage collector will remove this commit. All right, let me clear git log. So why am I insisting on the fact that this commit is a new commit and it's not the same commit? This is important when you have pushed your local code to the origin, to the remote server, and if some of your colleagues have pulled your changes and have their own changes on top of this commit. In that case, if you edit this commit by either just editing the commit message or editing both the commit message as well as adding some changes, your colleagues will be in trouble because they based their changes on top of the older commit, but now that commit doesn't exist because, as we see here, we have a completely new commit. So be careful. It is okay to use git commit -- amend to fix a typo in the commit message or to add a file if you forgot, but only do it if it's only on your local computer and you didn't push to the origin. In case you already pushed the older commit to the origin, you need to make sure that nobody has work based on those older commits. See you in the next video.